Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Now today we've got a special starter for you called Gong Hom Pha, which is almost like a prawn in a spring roll. So this is a great family favorite, great for the kids, and it's really easy. So we're going to do that with you today. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Good morning, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make spring roll prawn or Gong Hom Pha, we call in the restaurant. The ingredient is the prawn. This one we used size 16-20, 800 gram. Oyster sauce, sugar, light soy sauce, and this one always we use the garlic, black pepper and coriander root. This is a link for garlic and black pepper and coriander, and also the skin to wrap this one. And don't forget this one self-rising flour. When we wrap we have to stick like a glue. Okay, now let's go. This one I have washed this one. This one 800 gram. We use this one 1 tablespoon of this one to make this one. And oyster sauce. Okay, 2 tablespoons. And sugar. 1 tablespoon, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, and we marinate. Marinate and leave it about 15 minutes, or you can leave it overnight. And this one for starters, make you get appetite for the main course. Okay. Okay, this one after 15 minutes, you make this one straight and easy to wrap. Yeah, this one by cut this part, yeah, and then you straight something like this. I show you again. Okay, we start to wrap, and then this self-rising flour, and then put a little bit of water. Make it like a glue. Okay, take the skin, you peeled it from the package. Okay, you take this one out from the packet and you peel. Four, 5, 6. Okay. Make this one dry. take the skin, you fold this one this size, right? And then put the prawn and fold the other side, and then you roll it until nearly end, and then you put the glue. Okay. If you don't cook this one, or if you have time, you just make it, and then you keep in the freezer, and then you take it out and fry it anytime. No need to defrost. Okay, we deep fry in the hot oil. Yeah, we heat the oil about 5 minutes, and then we deep fry. Yeah, you deep fry about 5 minutes. If you want to know this one how it's cooked, this one can floating, not go deep down to the wok. And the color also, you can see the golden color. Okay. We serve with sweet chili sauce, and this is the link for sweet chili sauce. If you like our decoration, and you can see the link at the corner.
So I hope everyone enjoyed that, and join us again next week, where I'm not actually sure what we're doing next week. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and it's really helping us out. You may have noticed we got past 1,000 subscribers, I think last week, so thank you for that. Thanks for all the support, and you know, we're gonna keep cracking on. All right, so take care. and take care of yourselves and each other. Bye.